So the astronauts are a unique piece in this year's game design. Of course, they're essential for habitation on the moon. So this is Area 3, just directly in front of the large bay or the large starting box. The students in the 90-second setup time may place these anywhere they want within Area 3. The rule is they can't be laying down, they have to be standing up, they can't be touching black tape. So that means if you wanted to and you're not going to do anything with them, you could just put them out of the way. Or if you have some device to pick them up and you need them to be set perfectly to pick up once you come out, you can set them that way. It doesn't matter. As long as they're standing upright, not on their sides, and they're in the box. What you cannot do is take them out. They have to be in here somewhere standing. Okay, so the other neat thing about the astronauts, like all game pieces, they score 1 point on the side. So in reality, if you just left these here and didn't run them down, they score points. But the other way they score, there's only specific areas that these can score in. So let's take them and let's go see where they really score for maximum points. One of them, of course, comes down here, and if you can put it in here and actuate this switch, then it's going to raise the flagpole, which scores more points. This also scores points for being in that coupler. The other place is if you flip the solar panel over and get right in here on the back and you drop one in here, that's a second position that they score in. So there's 3 more positions they score in. The other 2 are on the moon base. They're on the platforms. So there's a 3rd place it scores. There's a 4th place, 2 platforms. And then the last place you can score astronauts is in the airlock. Now notice the airlock comes out. So there's also points for closing it back. But the point of the astronauts is they can score in the airlock, on the platforms, in the 2 couplers. Couplers obviously only hold 1. Platforms, you could put a bunch in the airlock. But the multiplier on this is the number of different locations you have. So in this case, they would all score points times location. Here's 1 location, 2nd location, 3rd location, 4th location, 5th location. So that would be a 5 times multiplier of their score. That's how the astronauts score.